Hello, my name is Arnau Copel-Albero. I am a student of the IES Under Semper Institute, and I have decided to dedicate my research to an analysis of the situation of Valencian at a sociolinguistic level in the city where I live, Alcoy. This is an issue that I do not currently believe is being given the importance it truly deserves. People are not taking into account the loss that the disappearance of Valencian as a language would mean in different areas, especially at a cultural and traditional level. That is why I decided to really check how much this language is used in my city. Another reason that motivated me to carry out this research was a talk that took place in my institute a few months ago. In this one, a man came to explain the similarities between the situation that Valencian was going through and the language he spoke, Basque. It caught my attention, and that is also why I did the project on this topic. From here, I have made a form to know the use that young people make of the language, and based on this my research has been built. In addition, I have also attended some conferences and talks, and I have been able to organize some interviews with a few professionals. The conclusions I have been able to draw from this work are varied, but it is quite close to what was expected. Anyway, I do not want to specify too much. That's what the work is for. The main idea of this project is to give visibility and try to make the youth of Alcoy reflect on the responsibility